I love that you're taking something that in a lot of organizations is kind of a survey that ends up on the server and a bunch of data that doesn't really get activated. And that's something that you and I talked a lot about before, which is you talked about, you're a software company, right? That a lot of organizations and leaders see that like, hey, as soon as I turn on this software, that's what's gonna really make the difference, right? That's what I need to solve all my problems. But you have a very different point of view on that I wanted to talk about.
Well, it might be odd coming from a software executive that software isn't the solution to all your problems. It absolutely can be. But this is from my Accenture days, through my time at the city, through all the companies I've run. People think that they go buy software and it solves the problem. Fundamentally, if like you don't understand how your processes are built to serve your customers, if you don't understand the data that's required to be able to either guide that process or report on its impact, the software isn't gonna get you anywhere, right? So we used to talk forever ago at Accenture about people, process, and technology. The technology piece can allow you to drive efficiency and go faster. But if it's a messy, broken process, it's going to allow you to speed up your time to a bad destination, right? So even with my teams today, when they're like, we'd like to use some additional software, I'd say, great. Like, what's got to be in place before we go talk about implementing software to help us perform better? And we at Sugar want to do that with our customers. We really want them to understand the business value they're trying to drive, the data that's required, the business process that's required to go make an account management process work better, a customer service process work better, a sales or forecasting process work better. And then our software does a phenomenal job of helping you automate, and especially we'll get into AI a bit, but like leverage the power of technology to do it better.